In this video, we will demonstrate how to operate your PTZ camera using Smart PSS. Once you have Smart PSS open and your cameras are loaded, you can begin to control your PTZ camera. It can be controlled from the grid format or double-click the camera view to make it full screen. Using your mouse, you can pan left by clicking the mouse in the left side of the screen. Click to the right side of the screen to pan to the right. Click the bottom to tilt down, and click the top to tilt up. You can zoom in by clicking the magnifying glass on the controller, as well as zoom out. Another way to zoom in is using the 3D positioning. Simply draw a square with your mouse and the camera will zoom into that area. On the controller, you can also use your arrows to pan the camera any direction you want. It will allow you to pan 360 degrees around if that's what your PTZ camera is capable of.